Greetings, Ohio Gun Lawyer here from Columbus, Ohio. Coming to you through Munitions Law Group, again, our national firm that we launched at SHOT Show last year. We're going to be there again, by the way. Make sure you come by. We have a booth there for 2 days. It's a supplier showcase. It's something new that they started last year for more service sector industry folks, and it was just a huge hit through the National Shooting Sports Foundation's SHOT Show. You going to be there this year?
Yes.
All right. So our guy here in the background who runs VSO Gun Channel is going to be there. Make sure you guys look up his channel as well. He's great people. He's been helping us on our videos. But anyways, getting right into the question today we have from a Mr. Tom. And Tom writes, regarding the new law that took effect regarding employee and parking lot carry, and I wanted to talk a little bit about that. He alludes that his employer may be putting up illegal signs, and he quotes that the sign reads, "Notice it is legal to carry a firearm, deadly weapon, or dangerous, ... sign, see message for image," and he puts it down there. So basically, Tom, the answer to the question is what a lot of employers have been doing since this law passed, in my opinion, does violate the statute. What the law actually says is that there's 2 requirements that have to be complied with in order to carry on the private property parking lots only, okay? And that includes even your employer's parking lot. So, you know, if you work for Widget Acme Company, and Widget Acme Company has a giant parking lot, and they were prohibited you from carrying your concealed handgun there even when you were a licensed individual prior to March of 2017, that has now changed. As of March 21st, 2017, this law took effect. So you can actually carry your firearm onto that parking lot, never in the building, not allowed to do that, but there's a few things that have to happen. One, you have to be concealed handgun licensee, right? And it can only be a handgun, okay? Because that license only applies to handguns, number 1. Number 2, the weapon's got to be kept in the vehicle at all times as long as you're in the vehicle, or locked in a container inside the vehicle if you ever exit the vehicle. That usually means the glove box, the trunk, maybe if the console has a lock on it, or some sort of other container that can actually be locked within the vehicle, and the vehicle is also locked. So that's the big first element. Second element is that the car is located in a place it's otherwise permitted to be. Those are the only 2 elements that are required. What we've seen private property and employers doing is saying, we're going to comply with this law, Tom, but we're going to make you fill out a form, right? Tell us the make, model, serial number of the gun, how many guns, what color gun, what does it smell like, taste like, all that other BS. And then number 2, we're also going to throw in another restriction. You have to park in the yellow lot or the red lot, and all the other employees without guns can park in the green lot. Those are BS restrictions. They seek to add another element to the law. The law says, hey, if you comply with these standards, you're fine. Again, if you're a concealed handgun licensee, you have a handgun in the car, it's locked in the car properly, and you're in a place otherwise you're permitted to be, which means if you don't have a gun, you're otherwise permitted to be there, hence the green lot, then you can have your gun there as long as it's locked in the car. So just keep that in mind. So what are your options? Well, you don't want to piss off your employer and get fired, obviously. You know, generally what I tell clients is you just comply with the law. If something happens, we address it then. It's a tough situation to be in, I know that, and each situation is individual, and if I was retained by Tom or anybody like that, I would address each set of facts individually and give proper legal advice to that Tom. As always, remember, this is not legal advice, this is just me talking to a camera. So if you guys have any other follow-up questions, please drop them in the comments below. As always, we really appreciate you guys following us. And always remember, be safe out there and carry on.